You can start the engine with your app. You can unlock the car with the app. You can lock the car with the app. You can, of course, shut down the engine with the app. You can also see the record of all the operations. So all the times the car has been locked, unlocked, whether the shock sensor has been triggered, illegal door open, all these sorts of things, you can see a history of it. You can open the trunk with the app. You can manage the app. So here you can change your password. You can view the information about the device itself, the device ID, name, and so on. You can view and set your vehicle information. You can view the system settings and make some changes. For example, shock sensors, sound, Bluetooth, so on and so forth. And then of course you have various other settings that you can see here. About Us page and log out. We have Bluetooth shake to lock and unlock. So you just have to shake your phone and your car locks, and then shake it again and your car unlocks. You have the panic or fine button. So for example, if your car is in a large parking lot or something, you can press this button and your car's alarm will go off, so it can help you more easily find the car. You have, of course, the GPS location of the car, and then you have GPS, SMS notification, and calling. So for example, if your car's alarm is triggered in any way, you will get an SMS from your GPS and you will get a call as well.